Hello everyone, now I would introduce our pizza vending machine. Model number is VL230115. Now I would buy a pizza. Here is the 55-inch touchscreen. You can select the pizzas from the screen. Now I am going to buy number 2 pizza. You can pay by cash or credit card. Now we will use the bank card to pay. Here is the bank card payment system. We also can install the coin and banknote payment system for you here. Now, order is under processed now. Let's have a look inside the machine. The machine will pick up the pizza and transport to the oven. This is the oven. It is preheating now. The pizza will be transported here once the preset temperature has been reached. This is the pickup point. You can pick up your pizza here later. It will take 1 to 5 minutes to grill a pizza. Here we will install tissue, knife and fork delivery devices. Pizza arrived the oven now. It rotates while the pizza is cooking so that it cooks more evenly. When the temperature is too high, the heating will stop, allowing the oven to always maintain the preset temperature. This is the time it takes from the beginning of selecting goods to the present. You can add any video or picture here. Now you can eat delicious pizza. VL230115 Pizza Vending Machine. Sell a pizza in 1 to 5 minutes.